Hi guys, James from MeasureSquare here. In today's Getting Started video, we're going to cover system settings, which can be accessed from the small gear icon here in the top left, or by going to the File menu and selecting System Settings. The first tab in System Settings is the Measurement tab. In this tab, we can select whether to use imperial or metric measurements, and adjust the precision of our measurements. For example, we can adjust from feet and inches to a precision of feet and fractions of an inch by changing our settings from a length unit of feet and inch and our length precision of inches to a length unit of feet and inch with a length precision of fractions of an inch. Note that our new rooms show the increase in precision in our Takeoff tab. In the Takeoff tab, we can adjust multiple settings, the most common ones being wall thickness, our default door width, and our door style. You can see I already have my default door set to no leaf to save me some time. In the Estimating tab, we can adjust settings related to different product types, such as cut margin, which allows for extra product to be calculated for over the net area. We can also adjust the maximum number of T-seams allowed in a room. To a pattern good match ratio of half, whole, 1.5, or a custom length of a pattern. In the Drawing Style tab, we can adjust the color and width of many line types within MeasureSquare. The fields below are especially helpful. The wall section color can make it easy to tell what rooms have been taken off, and the L-seam color and thickness can help make our roll good seams really stand out. The Hotkeys tab allows us to click on a text field and enter in a custom hotkey for our favorite tools.